Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about sleep, a little bit different. I've never done like a sleep video before, but if you follow me on all socials, then you know that I have been struggling with my sleep for a really long time, mostly after I had my son, which was last year, and I've tried everything. I literally, have tried all the supplements, teas, even devices. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you all the things that I ended up loving in terms of, the supplements and the teas and things like that. But first, I'm going to talk about the one biggest change that Jamie and I have made for our sleep, and that is to get ourselves a brand new mattress. So let me just peel all of this away to show you guys the mattress itself. So here it is. This is by Leesa, L-E-E-S-A. You can already see like how plush this thing is. Let me lower the camera so you can actually see it a little bit better. But yeah, I feel like you can see how plush it is. We ended up with a Leesa mattress. This specifically is called the Sapira Hybrid Chill. So I want to tell you guys a true funny story. So when Presley was transitioning from her crib to a regular mattress, obviously Jamie and I did a bunch of research on what mattress to get her, and we ended up on a Leesa mattress. And when him and I would go put her down, we would literally come back together and talk about how Presley literally has the most comfortable bed in the whole house. And so when we were planning on changing our bed, it obviously had to be a Leesa, and we took our time. You can literally take a whole quiz on their website. So we did that, and then we just kind of compared. We were between two, but we ended up with the Sapira Chill Hybrid. We are both side sleepers, and we also sleep really hot. So that's why we ended up with this, because number one, it's a hybrid, so it's a foam and spring, which I feel like that was what we were missing with our previous mattress. Our previous mattress was just all foam. I ended up feeling like I just had gaps in my body when I was sleeping. Like I really wasn't getting enough support. And with this, you can see the curves. Like I feel like it literally cradles my whole body, but literally like my back and even my side, which is most important because I don't want to end up with hip pain or anything like that. But also the one thing I noticed off the bat is how cooling it is. I think it literally won a Forbes Best New Product Award or something like that, something crazy. So you get really good lumbar support and hip support. So if you have like back and hip pain, this is gonna be really, really good for you. But yeah, I just wanted to share this because I thought that this is probably one of the best investments that you could ever, give to yourself. They did give me a code for you guys. You can get $75 off your order. So I'll link all the info on this bed down below. But yeah, I just thought it was very important to share first thing our mattress, because this has given me the deep sleep that I have literally been longing for and yearning for the past year. And I just wake up in such a better mood and just so much more revived, which, like, thank God. All right, while we're at it, I figure we can just continue this whole video on my bed, because why not? I am wearing glasses right now, so I'm gonna just share with you guys tips and tricks as well with what I have found makes a difference and helps with my sleep. So these are blue light glasses, and I've done a lot of research on like blue light, and I think it's really important to either use blue light glasses if you're going to be on your phone, like if you have to be on your phone before bed, to use blue light glasses so that it's just like not wiring your brain and like energizing your brain, and then it therefore making it harder for you to sleep. So I have a bunch of blue light glasses, but these are some new ones that I really love. They're by Past Midnight. But basically, I try not to be on my phone like right before bed, at least 30 minutes before bed, because I noticed that if I am on my phone right before bed, it just takes a lot longer for me to fall asleep, because then I'm reading stuff, I'm thinking about stuff, my brain is kind of like rewiring and like almost like I'm exciting it and just like energizing it. So why do that to yourself? So yes, either wear blue light glasses or just don't even look at your phone at all. So next up, I am going to talk about some teas, because a lot of times, or a lot of people recommend drinking something warm or hot before bed. It kind of gets your body ready and calm, and I really like doing that, but sometimes I don't have the time to do all that. But when I do, Beam has been just something that I've bought and have used for years for sleep. I've even worked with them once or twice, and it was just like such a perfect match because I absolutely love these powders for sleep. Let me tell you, I have tried a lot of them and they don't even work. These are the only two that I feel like work, and the only difference with these two is the flavor, and one has melatonin and one doesn't. They also taste really good. The flavors I have are cinnamon cocoa and brownie batter. Okay, and if you want a gummy that has melatonin in it, I'm sure you guys have heard of Lemmy, or Kourtney Kardashian's brand. I have tried lots of gummies, and I've even gotten like weed gummies or whatever you want to call them. Basically, that's what it is, to help with sleep, and these do the job really good. So yeah, try this. It works quick. It doesn't make you groggy when you wake up in the morning, and you sleep. It's as simple as that. Something that I just like to kind of swatch on my, in here, what's this part called? Inside my wrist, or just like on my décolleté, is this little stress release soothing oil blend by Sage Wellness. I've gone through so many bottles of this. If you are kind of like nervous or anxious, maybe nervous for flying or just anything, swishing this and just putting it on you just helps you calm down and just feel a little more relaxed. It smells really good. Smells like what? Eucalyptus and lavender together, I think. But yeah, you can put it on your pillow, your body. I really love this. So if you want something a little more natural, that's just like a quick and easy pill, I have flown with this. I have recommended this to like my mom and she loves it. This is Calm Aid. It's literally lavender pills, and you can feel the difference. It says helps reduce stress, tension, and occasional anxiety. Clinically studied lavender is what is in here. So this is plant powered. The funny thing with this is that if you do burp, like you will burp lavender, but at least it's just that. So in the back it says feel more relaxed, reduces occasional anxiety, supports sleep disrupted by occasional anxiety for more restful sleep, and it's non-habit forming, which is nice, and it uses clinically studied Selexan, which I'm assuming is another way of saying lavender. So that's that. I do take a magnesium every single night regardless. This is 2 pills. This was kind of just recommended to me because I forget why. I was basically watching a video and someone said that they took the Nature Bell one specifically. I forget why, but their reasoning was enough for me to buy it basically, and I feel like it's working. I have been able to just take this a lot recently and then not have to need anything else, so that's nice. So this says on the side, Nature Bell, our mission is to provide you the most pure and highest quality products beyond industry standards. By using the finest quality raw materials from around the world, we're helping you take one step further to a healthier, happier life, if that helps anybody. Okay, so next thing, I feel like someone might ask about an eye mask. I have bought a lot of different eye masks. I have bought beaded lavender eye masks so I can smell lavender and also have the weight on my eyes. It was fine, didn't love it. I've also bought the ones that just kind of border around your eyes so they don't create any wrinkles or anything. Again, that was fine. Eye masks are eye masks, but I really like the ones from Cornea Care. These actually are disposable and they self-heat. So you just open the packet. I don't want to waste one and open one, but on the side, this is basically what it looks like. It's a soft material. It's almost like the material of a disposable mask, but a lot softer and even thicker. Anyway, so you tear this open. Once you tear this open and take the mask out, it starts heating. I think it stays heated for about 20 minutes. If you have dry eye, this is really good for you. This is kind of what it's made for, I think. But regardless if you have dry eye or not, it's just so soothing to wear something warm, like a warm compress over your eyes. And what I like about this too is the fact that it wraps around your ears and not your whole back of your head, because that was one of the things that I hated about wearing a regular mask, was that I just, you know, if I sleep on my back, the strap was on my head and I could feel it and it was annoying. This is around your ears, so you get none of that. You can like, I sleep with my hair up so it doesn't get like any kinks in it. So that was a problem with regular eye masks with the band in the back of my head. This does not wrap around the back of your head. So plus, win-win. Recommend this regardless if you have dry eye or not. It just gives your eyes lots of moisture. Okay, last thing I wanted to talk about is an actual device. So this is Truvaga. I had actually also bought the Somni device, which was another $500. I think this was also around $300 or $500. The Somni was something, it was like a thing that I used around my forehead, and I didn't use it all night, and I feel like a lot of people love it. For me personally, I didn't love it. This, however, I do like because it stimulates the vagus nerve. You take the top off. There's a spray that it comes with. You find your pulse and then you put this on your, wherever your pulse is, which ends up being your vagus nerve. It stimulates that to then calm you down, because I guess the vagus nerve is a nerve that's connected to your nervous system or something. I really hope I'm like explaining this correctly. And you know, once that's stimulated, it in turn calms you down and takes away, like, you know, stresses, anxieties, whatever. So I found that it was really nice for helping me just be a lot calmer and less anxious and be ready for sleep. So that's that. You get the app and that's kind of how you track everything. And yeah, very easy to use though. And that is pretty much it for my sleep recommendations. If any of you guys try any of these items, let me know how you liked it. And I will also interested to know what sleep things you take or do that help you. Okay, I lied. The absolute last thing that I wanted to share that Jamie and I sleep with every single night is this Hatch sound machine. We have this in every single room. Our kids sleep with it. That's actually how we started sleeping with it ourselves. This one is older, so it needs to be plugged in, but you can get different sounds depending on what sound you like, and different light colors depending on if you like light. Some people sleep with red light because they say it helps them. Some people like the rain sound. We just like the white noise. And I just feel like my body, once it hears this, it's already gotten used to it. It just prepares itself for sleep. It just kind of drowns out any other noise that's out there from, you know, the outside world. And I just can't really sleep in silence anymore. I just feel like it just helps me sleep better for whatever reason, the same reason it helps with babies. But we also have the newer Hatch that's more of a round shape that also tells you time and a lot of other things. So I will link that one as well, because a lot of people say that they really love that because it does more for you than just give you sound and light. It does, I forget, a lot more, but I don't know why we don't use that, but I need to go look for that, but I'm going to link that as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.